Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making an Asian style garlic sauce. This sauce is a great recipe to have inside your recipe book. It goes on stir fries, it can be used on ribs, most proteins, it's great on vegetables. We need a few ingredients, some of them are a bit weird, but you can definitely get them in your grocery store, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a cup of vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of oil, 4 teaspoons of garlic, 4 teaspoons of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and if you want some meat, you can add in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flake. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna start by combining our vegetable stock, our soy sauce, our sesame oil, our rice wine vinegar, our mirin, and our sugar. We're gonna mix this up till that sugar is all dissolved. Now we're gonna mix in our cornstarch until that's completely dissolved, and we're gonna head over to the stove. Now in a nice size pan, we're going to heat up a few tablespoons of vegetable oil over a medium-high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna go in with our garlic and our ginger, and we're gonna wanna saute this up for about a minute or till it really starts to smell fragrant. And after those have sauteed, we're gonna turn our heat down to a medium-low. We're gonna add in all of our liquids. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer, and it's gonna start to thicken. All right, and our sauce is done. It's nice and thick. The color has changed, it's no longer cloudy. It's a nice color brown sauce. Looks fantastic. Now let's head over to the cutting board. Now we're gonna transfer this into a container, and we're gonna store it. You can store it in your fridge for up to a week. All right, let's get a taste. Make sure we get all that yummy garlic and ginger. This is such a fantastic sauce. It's rich, it's got a little bit of heat from the red pepper flakes, and the garlic and the ginger. It's just a beautiful sauce that's gonna work fantastic on just about anything. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.